Hello, year ones. So here Misada is again at her house, and we are going today to take a look at lesson 7 and 8. Misada is doing a video for each lesson, so if you are in a different lesson, you can watch the videos if you are stuck, if you need help. Yes, you still can also, if you are having help in one level specifically, you can send a message to Mizada and I'm going to try to answer you as soon as possible, okay? So here, I already opened, yes, my lesson. And if you go to lesson 7, remember that Mizada said there were some lessons that were unplugged activities or videos. So this is an unplugged activity. It's an activity we do without the computer. So we are going to skip this one. So we just continue. So you can have a green flag there. Oh, these are challenges from lesson 5. If you skip a challenge, they keep coming to you, so you should do the challenge, okay? Don't skip the challenges. They are very nice. So lesson 8, yeah. Again, we are going to help Scratch go across the slippery ice to get the acorn. Okay, so this is what we are going to do today. And this is quite easy if you think, because he needs to go east 1, east 2, east 3, east 4, east 5 times. So I need to repeat this 5 times. East 1, east 2, east 3, east 4, east 5. So I can run here, and he goes east 1, east 2, east 3, east 4, east 5. He's going fast, isn't he? Good, I like this. Let's continue. All right, so I'm going to skip a little bit and go, let's say, to the middle. Let's say level 6 and see what we have here. Oh, we are already having a little bit of okay, so here it is showing the repeat button. Let me go back a little bit. Here it's a video explaining how we can use the repeat button. So the repeat button, I'm going to go back to number 1 here, to level 1 here, and show you. Let me see if they give any hints here. Want a hint? Yes, we need this one. Very good. So here we have this repeat button, this pink one. The girls will love this one. Yeah, the boys, I don't know, but it's a good block. See, boys? So in this level, instead of I need to using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks, I can tell that I want to repeat to go east 5 times. So it makes my life easier, you see, because I don't need to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. It's a little boring. I can say, okay, I want to repeat 5 times 1, 5 times going east. Okay, and then it goes, see, look. Going east 1, going east 2, going east 3, going east 4, and going east 5. All right. So this is what we have here. So here they are telling us that we need to go west and south. But look how many blocks I can use. 8. Let's see. If I go west, 1, I want to go 1. Not enough. I need to go 2. 1, 2. I need to go 3, 4, 5. I need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 times. But instead of all this, what can I do? I can put my repeat button. I can say I want to repeat going west. I have to put inside, 5 times. So it will do it for me. So go west 1, go west 2, go west 3, go west 4, go west 5. And now I need to go south 1 and then 2. Yeah, I need to go south 1 and 2. Let's see. So 1 west, 2 west, 3 west, 4 west, 5 west, 1 south, 2 south. Yay! Good job. I hope you like the repeat button. If you don't like the repeat button, you don't have to use it, okay? No problem. I hope you enjoy lesson 8 very much. Masalama. Have a nice week.